Hi, hello to everyone. In this video, I am going to solve a problem from circles. The question is, find the angle at which the circles x square plus y square plus x plus y equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus x minus 0 y is equals to 0 intersect. Okay, that means two circles if intersect, what will be the angle between them? Okay, so how can we find? There is a formula to find the angle between the two circles while they intersect. What is that formula? Theta equal to cos inverse mod r1 square plus r2 square minus d square by 2r1 r2. Okay, here if coming to the what are these terms? R1 R2 are radius of the two circles and d is the distance between two centers. Okay, so d equal to mod c1 c2. Now coming to first circle's center, here 2gx 2fy, right? We have the circle equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. This is the general equation of a circle. So 2g equals to, what is the coefficient for x here? 1. So g equal to 1 by 2. In the same way 2f equals to 1, f equal to 1 by 2. This is the center, but the center coordinates are minus g comma minus f. So that we got the center as minus half comma minus half. And coming to first radius, first circle's radius, the formula is root of g square plus f square minus c. Substitute these values, you will get 1 by root 2 as the radius. Next coming to second circle. Second circle center we got half, minus half and plus half. And coming to radius, substitute these two values, you will get 1 by root 2 is the second radius. Now coming to distance between the centers. We got distance between the centers as 1. What is the formula for this distance? Root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square or root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. You will get one and the same, because there here if you got any negative, square means again it becomes positive, right? So we got what? Distance is equals to 1. Now substitute these values in the formula. Theta equal to cos inverse 1 by root 2 whole square plus 1 by root 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. If you calculate, you will get cos inverse 0. Theta equal to cos inverse 0 you will get. Then cos theta equal to 0. When you will get when at what value of theta you will get 0 in cos theta equal to 90 or pi by 2. This is